Hey guys, this is Eve with Scrapbooking with Me, and we're going to make another little quick project today. I don't think that's a word. We're going to make another little quick project today. This will be another little gift idea that you could put on coworkers' desks, things like that. Just something simple, quick, and easy that you can make, but it looks so cool. So you're going to need a piece of cardstock that is 3 inches by 8 3/4, and you're going to score at 3/8 of an inch all the way down the long side. So just like that. And that's all the scoring that you're going to do. Now what we're going to do is take this is the piece that I scored right here. We're going to take our scissors and we're just going to cut in on that up almost to that score line. Just do a lot of little cuts. If you have a punch that'll do something like this, use the punch. But I don't think I have one that'll do this. Let me show you what we're doing. See, we're just making a lot of little cuts in that, just like that. They don't have to be perfect. They don't have to be even. This is just so this cardstock will curve and glue down. So just go along and keep cutting those all the way to the end. Now just go ahead and give those a little fold up, just kind of like that. See if you can see how I've done that. See, just folded them up. So there, the fold is right here. Now you're going to take your Campbell soup can, or just some type of can that is approximately, let's see about the size of this. This is about 2.5 inch circle. And I just roll it around this. Roll it around it, roll it around it, roll it around it. Just like that. And I my cardstock is kind of heavy, so I'm gonna kind of roll mine around quite a few times. If you use a thinner cardstock, it's a lot better, but I couldn't find any thinner. You know, I don't really buy thin cardstock. So mine's a little bit heavy, but we'll get it worked down. You can use your bone folder. Just pull it through your bone folder, break those fibers down. Just anything to make that curve. Rub it across the edge of your desk. That will make that curve in there too. Let's see if we can get that. So see, the more you break those fibers down, the more it wants to curve to make a circle. And that's what we want, is a circle. Just like that right there. Okay? Now I am going to go ahead and fold these down in there again before I glue this together. And then on this end, I'm going to use some score tape to make sure that this stays together. We don't want it breaking apart just when they start to get their goodies out of it. If I can find my pokey tool. Okay, then just roll it up and press it down. You've got that glued together. There's your little circle. All of these little pieces should be tilting that way. And you see that goes right down on that soup can, just like that. I saw this on YouTube, and some of you may have seen it. I think she did it a few years ago. I'm not sure. But it was so neat how she used the can to help her do the circle and everything. Okay, so we're going to do that. I'm going to leave it like that so that that'll help my circle stay a circle. And then I've got this little piece cut to go on the bottom. Now what we want to do is come back in with a piece like this, and we're going to sit that on there, but I'm going to put another piece on the bottom first. This one's a little bit larger than this, but it doesn't matter, it'll work. This is just going to help it hold together and hold this glue until I can get it put on the top part of the hat or the bottom part of the hat, whichever one it may be. So just run a little bit of glue around there and then just sit this piece on there. And this piece doesn't have to be perfect. This is not really gonna show. You can always trim off any excess if it's a little bit large. This is just to get that glue to hold that circle. So see, now we have a circle there. I'm gonna go ahead and sit my can down in there again and just give it some presses. Make sure that that glue's adhered well. So you can see down in there, that glue is adhered. Adhered, is that a word? I don't know. My mind is going in 1,000 different directions this morning because I've got so much to do for Christmas and I haven't even got half of it done. I know everybody's feeling that. I always feel the crunch because I try to do more than I'm able to do. So I get all frustrated at myself because I don't have everything done. Okay, so there is that. There's our little hat, the top part of it. And then you're going to make another circle, and this circle, let me tell you what this size is. This is 3 3/4 around, and you can just use something like this to draw your circle, a little saucer, bowl, whatever. And you're going to glue that down right in the center of that. So you're just going to add glue. Let me go ahead and trim that right there. Little piece sticking out. You're going to add glue down here, lots of glue. And then you're just going to sit this down easily. Don't press it down until you see if you've got it centered up. And I have to kind of look at mine from the top to see. I hope you don't hear my stomach growling. It's growling like crazy right now. Okay, there we go. And now again, set your can down in there and press that. So there is our little top hat part. And now we're going to take just a little piece of red ribbon and go around there. This is not ribbon, a little piece of red glitter paper and go around this. You could use ribbon on this for sure. But we're just going to use this little piece that I've already got cut. This is 1/2 inch. And let me see how long we're going to use it. I'm going to cut that little piece off. So this one is 1/2 inch by 9 1/4, and that's what we're going to put on here. And I'm going to start it right back at the back, but I'm going to put some score tape on here because it just tends to hold better on this glitter paper on the back side. The back side's a little bit slick, and so score tape just tends to hold a lot better on there. But as you can see, this glitter paper does not shed, and I love that. And they have it, unless they have taken it off sale, and I will check, but they had it at half price for a bundle of it, and it's got all colors in there at Cricket. So I will check and see. And then if you have access, of course, there's another 10% off. And then if you purchase $50, I believe it is, worth of goodies, you can use our code, get another 10% off and free shipping. So look at that, isn't that cute? All right, and now what we're gonna do, I'm gonna take just one of these little sponge snowflakes, and we're gonna put that right there. And this is just some cheap ones that I got, I don't even know where, probably the dollar store or something. We're just gonna stick that right there. And then I'm gonna take a couple of these little twigs. and just stick in the back there. Just maybe there, like that, and maybe like that. Just put a little bit of that green in there. So we'll put a couple of dots of glue on here. That'll just give it a little bit more color. So we'll put that one there. And this one over here. Like that. Oops, that one stuck to my finger, didn't it? I'm just gonna take one of these little red pearls and I'm gonna stick it right there in that part. So see that? Then we've made just a tiny little tag, and I just freehand cut this, but this tag is 1.25 inches by 1.5 inches, and I just cut some little slants on the corners and punched a little hole. And I'm just gonna go around it with my white, just like that. We'll let that dry for just a second. Okay, that's dry, and then I'm gonna use just a little stamp that says ho ho ho, and I'm gonna use some of my VersaFine black ink. Stamp that up and try to center it as best I can. Press it down, hold it just a second. There we go. Ho ho ho. Now we have punched a hole in the side of our hat right here and a hole in the top of that. So we're going to run a little ribbon through here. And I'm just using a little green sheer ribbon. Hopefully I can get it through. There we go. Run it through here. Then you just want to bring that up like that, and then just tie a little bow at the top. So there you go. There's your hat and your little bow, and now you're ready to fill it with some goodies. Let me grab some things to put in here. Like that. And you could even pull this up, tie a little bow on it, decorate it up like you wanted to. But I just thought that was super cute. It's a quick and easy project. All right, so that is it, guys. That is the quick and easy little project that you can do for your coworkers, different things. You can even put a little gift card down in here if you want to. Put some hot cocoa in here, marshmallows in a bag, sit those down in there. Lots of different things that you could do with this little hat. All right, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And when that little bell pops up, click that bell so that you'll be notified when we put up a new video. Up here at the top, you'll see 2 more videos that you might be interested in watching. Down below is our store link. Today and tomorrow is our last days for the 40% off sale. So if you're interested, go over and check those items out. All you have to do is use the code THANKFUL at checkout to get the 40% off. And then over here on my face, you can just click on that and subscribe directly to our channel. All right, we will talk to you guys later. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.